Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's knowledge sharing session on Introduction to Product Management. I would like to start with a simple question. How many of you used WhatsApp today? How about Uber, Spotify, Netflix, Jumia, or Instagram? Almost everyone. Now, here's the interesting part. None of these companies became successful simply because they built an app. They became successful because they identified a real problem that millions of people experience and created a solution that fit naturally into people's life. That's exactly what product management is about. Today's session isn't just about understanding a job title, it's about understanding the thinking process behind building products that people actually want to use. By the end of these sessions, you will understand what product management is, what product managers do every day, and why this career has become one of the fastest growing roles in technology. Here's what we'll cover today. First, we will define product management in simple terms. Next, we'll look at the actual responsibility of a product manager because there are many misconceptions about these roles. We'll then walk through the product life cycle and see how products evolve from an idea to something used by millions. After that, we'll discuss the technical and soft skills needed to succeed. Finally, we'll explore career opportunities and how someone can enter the field. I also encourage everyone to participate. I'll be asking a few questions throughout. So what exactly is product management? Many people think product management is about managing software developers or creating fancy mobile apps. Not really. Product management is about identifying customers' problems, deciding which ones are worth solving, building the right solution, and continuously improving that solution based on feedback. Think of it this way. Imagine you notice that students struggle to find available lecture halls before classes begin. A developer might immediately ask, what app should we build? A product manager asks something different. Why is this happening? How often does it happen? Who is affected? Is an app really the best solution? Notice the difference. The product manager focuses on the problem before jumping into the solution. That's why product manager sits right in the middle of business, technology, design, customer, and data. Every decision requires balancing all five. Let's look at some familiar examples. Uber wasn't the first transportation company. It simply solved one frustrating problem: get reliable transportation quickly. Netflix wasn't the first company to provide movies. It removed the inconvenience of physical DVD and made entertainment accessible from everywhere, from anywhere. Spotify changed how we consume music by removing the need to purchase individual songs. Do we notice the pattern? Customers don't buy products, they buy solutions. Every successful company wins because it solves a problem better than existing alternatives. As future product managers, your biggest job isn't creating futures. Your biggest job is understanding problems. So, who is exactly a product manager? I like to describe them as translators. Customers speak one language, engineers speak another, designers think different, everything has its own values. Business executives focus on revenue. Product manager understands this perspective and aligns everyone towards one shared goal. Here's something many people don't know. Product managers usually don't have direct authority over engineers or designers. They don't manage them. Instead, they influence people through communication, collaboration, and a clear product vision. That's one reason communication is one of the most important product management skills. A product manager work can be grouped into four major responsibilities. First, understanding customers. This involves interviews, surveys, user observation, and analyzing feedback. Second, defining product vision and strategy. Where should this product be in 1 year? What problem should it solve? Third, prioritization. Every company has limited time and resources. If customer asks for 20 features, you probably can't build all 20, would you? The product manager decides which 5 will create the biggest impact. Finally, collaboration and measurement, which is very key. After launch, the work doesn't stop. The product manager tracks performance, gathers feedbacks, and decide what should improve next. Do you observe the life cycle? Like a cycles. One statement I always remember is this: the product manager owns the why and the what. Engineer owns the how. Every product follows a life cycle. It starts with an idea, someone identifies the problem, what's solving. Next comes design and development. Designers create the experience, engineers build the solution, quality assurance teams test it. Then comes launch. But launch isn't the finish line, it's actually the beginning. After launch, companies monitor your user behavior, fix issues, improve features, and continue growing the product. Eventually, some products reach the end of their usefulness. Technology changes, customer needs change, business change. At that point, products are retired or replaced. The important thing to remember is that product manager remains involved throughout each stage. People often asked, like I'm pretty certain some of you will ask today, do I need to know how to code to become a product manager? The answer is no. Although understanding technology is helpful, successful product managers combine technical knowledge with strong people skills. On the technical side, they need product strategy, users research, data analysis, road mapping, and familiarity with agile methods. On the human side, they need leadership, communication, critical thinking, negotiations, and storytelling. Why storytelling? Because ideas don't sell themselves. A product manager must convince engineers, executives, investors, and customers why a particular problem deserves attention. This takes us to the career part. One thing that attracts many people to product management is the career progression. Many people begin as associate product managers where they learn the fundamentals. They then become product managers, taking ownership of individual products or features. As they gain experience, they progress to senior product manager, lead product manager, group product manager, and eventually executive positions such as director, vice president of product, or chief product officer. The exciting part is that product managers come from many backgrounds. Some were software developers, others came from business, marketing, design, finance, engineering, healthcare, or even law. There's no single pathway. I would like everyone to participate in the comment section. Take about 5 minutes with the people sitting beside you. Think about your favorite app. It could be WhatsApp, TikTok, Spotify, Instagram, Facebook, or anything else. Discuss these 4 questions. What problem does it solve? Who are its users? Why do people continue using it instead of competitors? If you became the product manager tomorrow morning, what is one thing you would improve? Let me get the comments, the answers. Let me have an idea. Think about it. Let me get to know. Do we have it? Do we have the idea now? I'm pretty certain you are understanding the whole idea about this knowledge sharing session. As we wrap up, I would like you to remember 4 important lessons. First, product management is about solving real customer problems. Second, product managers connect business, technology, design, and customer needs. Third, every great product starts with understanding users before building solutions. Finally, product management offers exciting career opportunities across almost every industry. The next time you open your favorite app, don't just think about the features. Ask yourself, what problem is this product solving? That single question is how every great product manager thinks. Thank you very much for listening. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thank you.